Welcome to the best picks. The best Range Rover Key Fob is probably one of the most essential accessories for any Range Rover owner, ensuring seamless access and security for your luxury vehicle. When your original key fob starts showing signs of wear, gets damaged, or you simply need a reliable backup, finding the right replacement becomes paramount. This video will guide you through the process of selecting a high-quality Range Rover Key Fob replacement that perfectly matches your vehicle's specifications and your lifestyle, ensuring you maintain the convenience and functionality you expect from your prestigious SUV. Number 5. Land Rover Pink Leather Crystal Key Fob Cover. Introducing a stylish and protective cover designed specifically for your Land Rover Key Fob. Crafted from genuine pink leather and adorned with sparkling crystals, it adds a touch of luxury while safeguarding your key. This key fob cover is engineered to perfectly fit models including the Land Rover Vogue, Discovery, and Range Rover Sport. Ensure a precise fit by comparing your key with the provided image. Made from premium aluminum alloy, genuine leather, and dazzling crystals, this cover offers both elegance and robust protection. It's designed to keep your key looking new and prevent damage from everyday wear and tear. Provide your valuable car key with complete protection. This cover shields it from accidental drops, scratches, and dust, ensuring its longevity and pristine condition. We stand by the quality of our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our lifetime-friendly customer service, including unconditional refunds or replacements for any quality issues. What we like. This option offers a touch of luxury with its genuine leather and sparkling crystal accents. It provides robust protection against drops and scratches. If you're looking to add a stylish and durable flair to your Range Rover Key Fob, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The key fob replacement for the Range Rover is a perfect fit and functions exactly like the original. Easy to program and sync with the vehicle, making the replacement process straightforward. Number 4. YO&YOYE for Land Rover Key Fob Cover. Introducing the YO&YOYE Key Fob Cover, designed specifically for your Land Rover. It offers a sleek and protective solution for your car key. Please verify your key fob matches the image before purchasing. This ensures compatibility with models like the Vogue, Discovery, and Range Rover Sport. Crafted from high-quality, soft TPU, this cover is incredibly thin yet durable. Installation and removal are quick and easy, taking just a minute or two. It provides comprehensive protection for your key fob, shielding it from drops, scratches, shocks, and dust from all sides. We offer a lifetime of friendly customer service. Enjoy peace of mind with our commitment to unconditional refunds or replacements for any quality issues. What we like. This key fob cover is crafted from a soft, premium TPU material, making it incredibly thin and flexible. Installation takes just a minute or two, offering great protection without bulk. If you prioritize a sleek, lightweight feel and effortless setup, this cover is ideal for you. What people say. The key fob replacement worked perfectly with my Range Rover. Easy to program and functions just like the original key fob. The design is sleek and feels durable, a great replacement option. Number 3. Land Rover Key Fob Cover with Keychain. Introducing a stylish and durable key fob cover designed to protect your Land Rover or Jaguar smart remote. It offers a perfect fit for 5-button models from various years. Please double-check your key fob against the second image before ordering. This ensures compatibility, as key designs can vary by manufacturing year. Made from a high-quality aluminum alloy, accented with leather and sparkling crystals, this cover gives your key fob a luxurious, like-new appearance. This custom-made accessory provides comprehensive protection for your valuable key fob. It safeguards against drops, scratches, breakage, and dust from all sides. We offer a worry-free after-sale experience with unconditional refunds or replacements for any quality issues. Contact us anytime for friendly, lifetime customer service. What we like. This cover combines the strength of aluminum alloy with the sophistication of leather trim for a truly premium appearance. Its design is a precise match to the original key fob, ensuring a perfect fit. If you desire a high-end, durable, and factory-like upgrade for your key fob, this is the one to consider. What people say. The key fob replacement worked perfectly with my Range Rover, all buttons are responsive and the signal is strong. Easy to program and sync with my vehicle, I was able to get it working within minutes without any issues. The design is identical to the original key fob, feels durable and well made. Number 2. Land Rover Key Fob Keyless Entry Remote. Upgrade your driving experience with this smart remote. It offers keyless entry for your Land Rover, Range Rover, Sport, or Evoque. Enjoy the convenience of keyless entry. This remote is designed for a perfect fit with your compatible vehicle. Specifically crafted for models like the Range Rover, Sport, and Evoque. Access your vehicle with ease and confidence. Never worry about fumbling for keys again. This smart remote provides a secure and reliable way to enter your car. This keyless entry remote is a direct replacement, ensuring a perfect match for your Land Rover's needs. Experience hassle-free operation. What we like. This is a complete smart remote, meaning it includes all the necessary electronics and is ready to be programmed for your Range Rover. It's designed to be a direct replacement for your existing keyless entry remote. If your current key fob is damaged or lost and you need a fully functional replacement without transferring internal components, this is your best bet. What people say. The key fob replacement for my Range Rover was a perfect fit and functions exactly like the original. Easy to program and sync with my vehicle, saving me a trip to the dealership. Durable construction and responsive buttons, feels just like the factory key fob. Number 1. UXCELL Car Key Fob Shell Replacement for Range Rover Discovery 4. Is your car key fob looking worn out? This replacement shell is perfect for giving your existing remote a fresh, new look. Replacing your key shell is simple. Just transfer your current electronics into this new case and you're good to go. This key shell is designed as a direct replacement for Range Rover Discovery 4 models with 5 buttons. Please note that this is only the key shell. The internal electronics, remote, and transponder chips are not included and must be transferred from your original key. This black key shell offers a durable and cost-effective solution to refresh your car's key fob. Ensure this part number cobst 10A matches your needs. It's a great way to renew your remote without replacing the entire unit. What we like. This product is a replacement key shell, perfect for when the exterior of your key fob is damaged but the internal electronics are still functional. It allows you to easily swap your existing components into a new shell. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to refresh a worn-out key fob without needing to reprogram electronics, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The key fob replacement for the Range Rover was a perfect fit and functions exactly like the original. Easy to program and sync with my vehicle, saving me a trip to the dealership. Durable construction and responsive buttons, feels just like the factory key fob. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.